Hi, if you want to create a draft on Facebook and then access it later, you can start typing something in your typical create post on Facebook, and if you click the X and you keep on going through Facebook, and it's just gonna not let you move from the home page because it is saying it's in Croatian, but in translation it asks you if you want to leave the page. If you say you want to leave the page and you return, your draft is still gonna be there. So if we just click on, let's say, videos, we say leave, and then we go back to the home page, your draft is still gonna be there. So it automatically saves your draft wherever you're moving through Facebook. But if you leave Facebook completely and then you click leave, and then we go back to Facebook, we can see that the draft is gone. So as long as you're not leaving the app, your draft is going to be saved and you're going to be able to post it or edit it and whatever you want to do with that later. Hope this helps and good luck.